A step-by-step manual for creating your own online store can be quite beneficial if you want to launch your own online business and offer goods to clients all over the world. The key actions you must do to successfully launch your store and reach your target audience are often covered in length in this tutorial. Choosing the best e-commerce platform or website builder to create your store, designing an appealing and user-friendly website, setting up a payment gateway to process customer transactions, creating a marketing strategy to promote your store and attract customers are some of the crucial steps that are typically covered in such a guide. Along with these essential elements, a step-by-step manual for creating your own online store might also include advice on how to improve your product listings, manage inventory and shipping, and offer top-notch customer service, as well as ideas and best practices for optimizing your business for search engines. You may acquire the information and abilities required to start and grow a profitable internet business that can bring in income and give your clients a good service by following a thorough manual like this one. Can you recommend any specific e-commerce platforms or website builders? Each e-commerce platform and website builder has advantages and disadvantages of its own. Here are a few well-liked choices to think about. Shopify. One of the most widely used e-commerce platforms, Shopify is renowned for being simple to use and flexible. A number of features are available, such as templates that can be customized, payment processing, and inventory management. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a well-known e-commerce plugin for WordPress that enables you to create an online store from your website. It is a flexible platform that is free to use and can be tailored to meet your needs. BigCommerce is a cloud-based e-commerce platform with a number of capabilities, such as inventory management, payment processing, and configurable themes. It is a wonderful option for expanding enterprises because it is also well known for its scalability. Squarespace is a website builder that also includes e-commerce features. It's an excellent option for individuals who wish to build a nice online store without having extensive technical knowledge because of its stylish themes and user-friendly interface. Magento. A well-liked e-commerce platform, Magento is renowned for its adaptability and customization possibilities. Being an open-source platform, it may be modified to meet your needs and is free to use. The finest e-commerce platform or website builder for you will ultimately depend on your unique requirements and financial constraints. Before choosing a choice, it's a good idea to do some research and weigh your possibilities. How can I optimize my store for search engines? There are a number of actions you can take to increase your store's exposure in search results, but one of the most important is optimizing your online store for search engines. Here are some pointers for making your store search engine friendly. Conduct keyword research. Discover the words and phrases that your target market uses to find products like yours. Then, incorporate those terms and phrases into the titles of your products and other material on your website. Make sure to add relevant titles, meta descriptions, and headers with your target keywords when optimizing your product pages. Image optimization. Give your product images informative file names and alt tags that, where suitable, include your goal keywords. Create high-quality backlinks. Look for possibilities to have other trustworthy websites in your niche link to your business. This might increase the authority and visibility of your store in search results. Make sure your website is responsive to mobile users. With more and more people accessing the internet on mobile devices, responsive web design is essential. Make sure your website is responsive, has quick loading pages, and is optimized for mobile consumers. Utilize social media. Social media may be a potent tool for increasing customer traffic to your store and search engine visibility. Be sure to constantly publish your products on social media and include links to your business in your social media profiles. Keep your material fresh and current by frequently adding new goods, blog posts, and other information to your website. Over time, this can assist increase the relevance and visibility of your store in search results. You may increase your store's exposure in search results and drive more customers and sales to your online store by paying attention to these suggestions. What are some best practices for managing inventory and shipping? Running an online store involves managing inventory and shipping, and there are a number of best practices you can use to make sure everything goes off without a hitch. Here are some pointers for controlling shipment and inventory. Utilize an inventory management system to track your stock levels, forecast demand, and automate order fulfillment. By doing this, you can prevent stockouts and guarantee that you always have the goods that your clients want. Set up alerts and notifications. Set up alerts and notifications to notify you of order placement, low stock levels, and shipment delivery. This can assist you in maintaining control over your shipping and inventory processes and ensuring that nothing slips between the gaps. Select dependable shipping companies that provide competitive pricing, on-time deliveries, and excellent customer service. In order to provide your consumers greater choice and control over their orders, you might also want to think about providing a variety of shipping options. Provide tracking information. Give your consumers access to tracking information so they can follow their orders and understand when to expect delivery. Customer satisfaction can increase and customer queries can be decreased as a result. Establish clear shipping rules. Include information on shipping costs, delivery schedules, and return procedures in your website's shipping policies. This can lower the possibility of disagreements or unfavorable reviews and assist manage client expectations. Monitor and improve your shipping operations. Keep a close eye on how things are going and seek for ways to streamline things. This could entail settling for less expensive rates from your carriers, improving your packaging to cut delivery costs, or streamlining your fulfillment procedures to increase productivity. By adhering to these recommendations, you can make sure that your shipping and inventory processes are effective and efficient and that your customers receive their goods on time and reliably. Can you provide any resources for comparing these platforms? Absolutely. Online tools abound that can assist you in comparing and evaluating various e-commerce platforms and website builders. Listed below are some resources you might find useful. G2. G2 is a well-known review website that provides user evaluations and rankings of website builders and e-commerce platforms. G2 allows you to contrast several platforms based on functionality, customer feedback, pricing, and other factors. Capterra. Capterra is an additional review site that provides user evaluations and rankings for website builders, e-commerce platforms, and other business tools. Capterra allows you to evaluate several platforms based on functionality, cost, and other aspects. PCMag. PCMag is a technology review website that provides in-depth analyses and comparisons of website builders, e-commerce platforms, and other digital goods. Use PCMag to obtain a professional opinion on various platforms and discover more about their advantages and disadvantages. A well-known comparison article between two of the most popular e-commerce platforms is called Shopify versus WooCommerce. The article can assist you in selecting the platform that is best for your company by providing an in-depth comparison of features, costs, and other elements. BigCommerce versus Shopify. This popular comparison article contrasts two well-known e-commerce platforms, BigCommerce and Shopify. You may use the article to compare features, costs, and other aspects in great depth and use it to decide which platform is best for you. You can evaluate various website builders and e-commerce platforms using these resources to determine which is best for your company. Which platform do you think is the most user-friendly? I don't have any subjective ideas or personal preferences as an AI language model. I can, however, tell you which platforms are well regarded for being user-friendly. In general, Shopify and Squarespace are frequently cited as two of the most user-friendly website builders and e-commerce systems. They both provide user-friendly interfaces, simple templates, and detailed instructions so that even non-techies can build an online store that looks polished. Particularly Shopify is renowned for its user-friendly dashboard and simplicity of usage. You can create your store using a drag-and-drop interface, and the platform includes a number of practical tools and features, such as configurable templates, payment processing, and inventory management. Contrarily, Squarespace is renowned for its slick and contemporary themes as well as its user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, which makes it simple to construct a stunning website without any prior coding experience. Of course, your individual needs and level of expertise will determine which platform is the most user-friendly for you. It's usually a good idea to experiment with many platforms to determine which one is the most user-friendly and intuitive. Are there any platforms that offer more advanced customization options? Yes, there are various e-commerce platforms and website builders that give users who wish to develop a highly customized online store access to more sophisticated customization possibilities. Here are some options to think about. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a well-liked WordPress e-commerce plugin that provides a high level of customization. Being an open-source platform, it may be heavily customized using plugins and original code. Magento. Magento is a highly adaptable and scalable open-source e-commerce platform. It is intended for larger businesses and offers substantial customization to meet unique requirements. BigCommerce. A cloud-based e-commerce platform, BigCommerce provides a variety of customization possibilities, such as unique themes, third-party tool integrations, and APIs. The e-commerce platform Volusion provides a high level of flexibility, including custom themes, APIs, and connectors. Shopify Plus. Designed for larger enterprises, Shopify Plus is a more sophisticated version of the platform that includes a variety of customization possibilities, such as unique checkout pages, APIs, and tool integrations from third parties. A variety of customization possibilities are available on these platforms, ranging from unique themes and layouts to APIs and interfaces with third-party applications. They may be more difficult to operate than some of the simpler platforms, but they give you more freedom and control over your online store.